Hey everyone, I'm Steven with Scenes in Nature. And today, I'm really excited because I get to show you about our newest product line, Nature's Water. Now, with Nature's Water, you're gonna be able to create, of course, water like you see in front of me, with realistic watercolor. You're gonna be able to create snow and ice and even splashes. So let's go ahead and jump in and I'm gonna show you all the different products of this new line. All right, so the first product I'm gonna tell you about is our water resin. Now, this isn't just a typical two-part epoxy resin. It is a two-part and it is a 2-to-1 mix, but the biggest difference is it's gonna be non-toxic, so it's not gonna kill you. And you're also gonna notice that it's super clear. The other thing that we're coming out with is our water tints. Now, these will allow you to create realistic colors, and we have a murky, a green, and a blue. And you're able to control the opacity of it by how much tint you put in. The next two products that I'm gonna show you are gonna be our snow products. We have both a snow dust and a snowflake. Now, that snowflake, you can see it right here on top of the cedar, and it looks awesome. It's super easy to apply, has a little bit of sparkle to it, and kind of a bigger texture. And you can see that texture here. Then, the snow dust that we have is a little bit smaller texture, which you can see here, and it's awesome to be able to put down into our water resin to create a nice icy look, and also just lightly sprinkled around on your habitat to create just a dusting of snow. And the last three products I'm going to tell you about today is our UV resin, our flashlight kit, and our resin knives. Now, this UV resin is super special. So we designed it for taxidermy. So it's going to flash freeze using the UV flashlight kit, plus it stays a little bit flexible. You can do tons of stuff with it, from icicles like you see here. You can make splashes, or even like ripples for like some surface movement on top of the water. And you can manipulate it and use those with the resin knives. To be able to cure the UV resin, we have our UV flashlight kit. And this is gonna come with two 18650 batteries, the charger to be able to recharge those batteries, the safety glasses, the glasses case, and the cleaning cloth. So those are the last three products that we have for the new Nature's Water line. And personally, these are my favorite. I hope you guys like these new products just as much as I do. And for more product information and how-to videos, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And of course, go to scenesinnature.com. Thanks so much for watching. Now, the last three products I'm going to tell you about today are UV resin. Shoot, now I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm glad you're enjoying this. And to be able to cure that resin, we have our UV resin. This is hard.